Let's do a CP case of Mobius. First, I have a cube here. Let's turn it into a variable network. Let's open the signal display. There are too many signals. If we adjust the signal, it's very inconvenient to adjust it. So we need to delete these lines on a single line. We can open the remodel tool. Then we can choose to insert here. Then press the Alt key to delete these looped files. It's not troublesome. There are just a few, right? But we need to keep the horizontal side. We need to delete the horizontal side. At this time, let's assign a group. Let's find the group of Mobius. Let's assign a group. Then we can divide it into several faces. Then we press the Ctrl-Shift key. Then select this place above. We can hide it under this column. Then press the Ctrl-Shift key. Then only this part is left. Next, we find the delete hidden in the library editor. We'd better set the shortcut by ourselves. Then I won't set the shortcut at this moment, because it's just the beginning. So let's make it a little simpler and a little slower. Press the W key to switch to the border table. Let's adjust its size a little bigger. Next, we can insert the loop file here, or go to the remodel brush. Then put the brush on the line. At this time, we choose to insert more loops. Then drag and drop on the surface. How much do we drag and drop? Basically, our model is a vertical line. It's a vertical line. Then we insert a lot of loops. Next, press the W key to enter the library editor. Then select it. I'm going to twist it. Then we can rotate 180 degrees up, directly up and down 180 degrees. Then we can rotate it again. The reverse rotation is also negative 180 degrees. Then we need to connect these two ends, because the faces of the upper and lower two ends have been deleted, right? It's very simple. Then we continue to select a round curve again. Okay, now we can make a round curve. Now we can make a round curve. This curve is twisted. This is the angle. Adjust it to negative 180 degrees. Then it's aligned. Now the loop is a little too big. I want to make this loop a little small. Adjust its radius and put it in. Almost the same. Okay, we have done this result. This place is separated. If you adjust it again, it will open again. So we need to close this place. Then go back to the library editor. Okay, now we need to show it in UV. If you don't show the UV, you can't draw the background. So we need to enter Maya and export it. Then we open Maya. Then enter the file. Open it, and it's in. Then we need to show it in UV. Then we need to show it in UV. Press and hold the right mouse button. Okay, that's it. Then select the circle line, and add the selection. Add the selection. Then make a circle for it. Find the gap. Select the edge, and then make a circle for it. Select all and make it flat. Now it's not straight. It's a bit bigger. We can use this cross section. If you don't have it, you can export it directly to OBJ. Okay, then we export it. It's in here. Then press F4 to enter the block. Then press F4 to enter the block. Select all the block modes. Then we make it flat. First, arrange it in the direction of the tree. Then we make it flat in this place. Then we make it flat in this place. Then we make it flat in this place. Then we put it inside the line of link to E and press P. Then we put it inside the line of link to E and press P. That's it. Of course, you can do overlap. We can put it together. Let's say it's centered. Okay, then it's all centered together. Because we only use one diagram at the back, we can export it. Then save it. Then go back to Maya and import it. Then you can see that our UE has entered. Then we can specify a diagram for it. Let's take a look. This is the effect of the diagram. Let's specify a new material for it. Choose any material. Then enter a copy of the file. Open the file. Then select 53-01. Open it. And then press the arrow keys. You can see that it is now like this. Because our UE is a vertical one, this copy of the texture is horizontal. This copy of the texture is horizontal. Turn it off. In this case, this is the texture. Now we need to adjust the UE, because now I have already made the overlap. We can just do this scroll for it. turn it to the position of 90 degrees, and then do a search for it as a whole. Let it wrap around our area. You can leave a certain space at the edge of the edge. In this case, we will leave an edge at the edge of the edge. It won't be particularly close. Look at our model. We can see that we have cut it. We can pull out this model, put it on our desktop. Let's set it to OBS format. We will set it to OBS. Save it. Yes, save it. Then go to our DB. Then pour in again. Pour in. Select our file and open it. Then replace it. At this time, you can see that it is in UV. Let's take a look at the UV map. Open it and see that it is in UV. Yes. Next, we can find the appropriate area for this model. Then we can go to the west level. Give it more west. Look at the ground. About 5 to 6 levels. If you want to be more careful, you can come to 6 levels. Then we can pour in the model. At this place, we select the previous model. Then go up. After going up, I turn the current color of the model into a cover. Find the cover. Press color cover. Select alpha or color image. You can do it. You can try it yourself. Then we can turn off this image. In this way, you can see that this place is covered. Then we can make a T-shape for this position, or give it a copy of the original location. Make a copy of the model. Then reverse. Press Ctrl+W to split it into a group. Then press Ctrl+Shift to select this area. Make it more reserved. Then delete the other areas. Delete hidden. There are 7 points. We can clear the 7 points first. Delete 7 points. Delete hidden. That's it. Now the surface is a little too high, so we use 3 measure to adjust the cloth. At the beginning, the cloth was a little more. For example, we set it to 20. 3 measure. Wait for it to be completed. The surface is a little too much. Of course, you can show it separately. Let's see if the effect of this edge is what you want. Okay, no problem. On this basis, if you are not satisfied with the current effect, you can continue to adjust it. For example, adjust it to match. Adjust the cloth again until it looks very smooth. Okay, I think this line is basically enough. Then we can use to enter our ZM auto mode again. You can make a copy of it. Select it. Then go to our mesh. Then you can go in or out. Make a copy. Make it a little bit out. That's it. It's very easy to make the effect we need. I think the thickness is a little low now. I think this height is about right. Okay. Then you show the rest. No problem. We made this part. After making it, you can give it a little more detail. In this way, the edge will have a corner effect. Now the middle position, we need to make a connection. Now it's just a floating structure. We need to have a connection to the edge position. Okay, choose our other models. I don't need such a tall model. Call the model directly. Delete the high level and restore it. Then cancel this. At this time, we need to find the edge position. Let it be divided into different groups. Then we can find the edge position. Okay, we find the curve function. In this way, it can find the corresponding curve position. Then press B to enter the pen tool. Choose our original pen tool. This has been taught in the class, right? Then adjust the radius of the pen tool. Look at the radius of the pen tool. It is the radius of the final shape of the tube. This red circle, you can put it in this position to take a look. The width is a little wide. Put it in this position. Just click on the mouse button. In this way, as a connection structure, you can connect these floating models to it. If you think it's okay, you can put it in this position. In this way, the curve function is cancelled. Then, because it doesn't have a cover, it has a cover. Let's take a look. The one with a cover is black. The one without a cover is white. Then I can split it out. Split by cover. Okay, split it out. This is based on your final need. If you don't need this, you can hide it. Hide it. We will use it later. Of course, we can color it. Color it. Fill it. Then choose this one inside. The color is a little brighter. Fill it again. Okay, let's make a shape like this. Of course, you can add another one. Adjust the angle. Let's take a look. Okay, let's go down and practice.
Thanks for watching.